Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have a cardstock add-on, a patterned paper add-on, and embellishment add-on. As well as check out the Shots of Life kit because it can give you more patterned paper and embellishments that coordinate with your Flavors of the Month. Also, don't forget to grab your free cut file this month. It's the double frame with the florals. So grab that and you can use it as well. So let's dig in. I'm going to show you the cardstock first, and then we'll look at the patterned paper and then the embellishments. So for the cardstock add-on, you get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So there's 1 of one color and 2 of the other. And of course, these do not duplicate from what's in the kit. These are different. So for the Echo Park New Day collection, you're going to get 2 sheets of Lily Pond and 1 sheet of Blossom. For the Pink Fresh Happy Hearts, you're going to get 2 sheets of Ivory and 1 sheet of Romance. The Simple Stories Full Bloom collection will have 2 sheets of Red Rock and 1 sheet of Fireflies. Then for the Simple Vintage Indigo Garden from Simple Stories, you're going to receive 2 sheets of 2 sheets of Pinkini and 1 sheet of Graphite. So those will give you more options for backgrounds, and you can mat your photos, do some of the digital die cuts, like the frames could be cut out of that, your new free cut file this month. Lots of options for there. Next up is our patterned paper add-on. So this is one of my favorites. You get 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So lots more patterned paper to play with. So let's start with A New Day from Echo Park. We have this beautiful rainbow print with all the different designs in it. The back is ice cream cones on a pink background. That paper is called Radiant Rainbows. Your second paper is the small little florals on the dark blue. The back is a 2-toned green gingham print. This paper is called Freshly Picked. From Pink Fresh Happy Hearts is this one called Happy Days, and I love this. It's a mixed media, and then it looks like it has stitching over it. So you could actually take that to your sewing machine if you wanted, or hand stitch it and do over the top of that for some added dimension, or leave it the way that it is. The back is a grid design with the leaf petal print. And then we have this floral on a watercolor background that kind of has the green to the blue. And the back is another watercolor ombre of the shades of pink. For the Full Bloom Simple Stories collection, we have this called Snailed It, which is all of those adorable little snails on the green background with little leaves and mushrooms and flowers. The back is a plaid in the orange and the green, the aqua, the pink. That paper, I said that, Snailed It. This one is Chasing Rainbows. So we have a rainbow print. The back is, it's kind of like a textured linen print of the aqua. That paper, again, I said that, Chasing Rainbows. Simple Vintage Indigo Garden. I love this paper. This paper is called Delightful. It has the doily with the thread going around it and the florals on that canvas background. Again, a perfect ready-made background for you. You could put a photo in the center. You could put some across the top. You could put it to the corner. So many options. You could use one or multiple photos on this. The back is the dark navy blue print, and there's just a faint design in it. For this second sheet for that collection is this striped with the doily and the florals over here to the side. Again, a perfect quick background. The back is a floral design, kind of a vine with butterflies on that pale green. Just beautiful. So let's take one more look at all of the patterned paper in this add-on. So many options for you. Okay, so our third add-on is the embellishment add-on. So for Echo Park New Day, you're going to get the chipboard elements. Got a little bit of a glare there. Lots of options with that. Love all the beautiful little icons. I love the bees in this month's collection. A little drink, the sunshine, and the camera. For the Pink Fresh Happy Hearts, you're going to get these wood accents. So it's actually a wood veneer, like an embroidery hoop, with a paper design that's pop dotted up. And then these have the little pop dots underneath with the photo and the wood bar across the top. Lots of options there. For the Simple Stories Full Bloom collection, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have this large scalloped border with the florals. Lots of word labels that they include. The banners, the large words you can use for titles. Love this little sign here, Fresh Cut Flowers Market. That would be a great embellishment. We have seed packets, bicycles, again, those bumblebees and the snails and the birds, everything spring. For the Simple Vintage Indigo Garden, you're going to receive the banner stickers for it. So these are the large banners that they do where they do all of the layering and the embellishment for you. So you can just pop dot that up on your page and it's done. It's so quick and easy. I love these. So we have some smaller ones and then the longer ones. Then they also give you lots of smaller little details that you can pop in for your extra little sprinkles of embellishments. So that is the embellishment for the 4th collection. So one more look at your 3 add-ons available for this month's kit. Join us on the Facebook group and the blog. Check out everything that the design team's creating with their kits. You're going to have so much inspiration this month, as well as all your fellow subscribers. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with this month's kit.